megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWF 35, serves the following counties in east central Ohio: Athens, Belmont, Carroll, Columbiana, Coshocton, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Monroe, Morgan, Muskingum, Noble, Tuscarawas, and Washington. And these counties in northern West Virginia: Brooke, Jinkoff, Marshall, Ohio, Pleasant, Ritchie, Haddon, Wetzel, Word, and Wood. Incidentally, these counties in southwestern Pennsylvania are Greene and Washington. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast.